Hey guys, it's me again, Kanisha, with another video. In this video, I will be opening some happy mail. If that is something you're interested in, stay tuned. Alright guys, so so this video will be all about my mid-year planner haul. I received some mail from Happy Planner, and let's get into it to see what we have. And let me tell y'all, I love their packaging, and this is what I got in the mail. It's so beautiful. I love it. So let's see what we have inside. I hope everyone is doing well and having a great day. All right, so let's see what we have here. I'm going to take out my planners out the packaging. Open, I have the Choose Love, and I have the Way, Truth, and Life. This is my faith planner, and I will be working in this, and I will be showing you guys how I actually set this up and use it. It is an 18-month planner, which I really loved about this. So I can start it now, and then I can have it for the rest of next year instead of starting it now and then starting another one next summer. So I will be definitely doing a video to show you what this looks like. But here is, let me start from July. So I'm going to just go through July and just go through the monthly tabs in here so you guys can see. So for August tab, I have Be Still and Know. September, Let Go and Let God. Yeah, I love this. This is so cute. For October, it's just a grace. It says, my grace is sufficient for thee. And then for November, it says, but now abideth faith, hope, love, these three. Let me start over. But now abideth faith, hope, love, these three, and the greatest of these is love. Oh, I act like I couldn't read. Okay, so this says, let your soul shine. This is January. It's just a little cute design. And for February, I have praying, believing, trusting, my story for his glory. And it is so cute. It is so cute. March has grace is sufficient for thee. This amen for April. For May, it has, we are the clay and you our potter. We all are the work of hands. Expect miracles. I love it. For June, I have, I am chosen, loved, known, strength, gifted, forgiven, called, commissioned, equipped, and redeemed. I love that. For July's faith, hope, and love. For August, he is a promise keeper. Yes, he is. This one is created to create for September. October is just a little abstract design. I don't know if that's abstract. I don't know. It's just cute. So for November, we have faith over fear. And then December, we have, we love because he first loved us. You are loved. So it does come with a 2-page monthly layout. And then for every month, it's the same layout. But I will not be using the way they have it here. And I was kind of skeptical about purchasing this one because I've purchased Happy Planner, faith planners before, but I don't like the way they have it. What do you call it? They tell you what to do on here. I guess that would be the correct term. They tell you what to do, which I had one before, but let me grab that one. So let me find a week that I didn't do because I know I skipped a week in this one. Okay. So here is for November. I love this one. It said the daily verse, prayer and praise. Now this was my favorite. I love this layout because that's what I normally do. I'll do my daily verse, basically my scripture writing, then I'll write a prayer here, or if I had a little praise report or something, I'll write it down here. And I love this format. I wish that I can find this one again, but I will be altering this and to make it my own personal planner as far as what I'll be doing with my planner. Oh, and look, this says faith, hope, and love. It's so cute. And this is a frosted cover, and you can really see through this. And I really love this. I really love it. So, and I may be keeping this and switching it out because I really love this color, this cover. It's so cute. It puts me in the mind of the clouds. And this dashboard too. I'll be taking this with me. So this is just 2 Corinthians 12:9. So it's my grace is sufficient for thee on that dashboard. And this would be cute to move over when I get my next one, if I don't find one that I like next year. So that is that one. I'm gonna sit that to the side. And then this one is my Choose Love. Y'all know I love my colors, so I had to get this one. I think I also had one like this last year as well, but it was dated. So I found it, and it basically looks like the same exact dashboards in here from last year, but I'm going to flip through. It is the same dashboard, the same dashboards, but it's just not dated. So I'll get to go in and jazz it up how I want it. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and kind of backdate it for the 1st of July. So I'm still in July. So I think I'm going to go back and do July and then just start my actual spreads for August. That way I won't be like August, or maybe I could just start it in August. I think I will. And it'll go from August to August. And what I plan on doing with this one is just doing like some planner spreads just for YouTube purposes, because I do have a lot of stickers, like a lot of stickers. And I just want to go ahead and pick back up on doing my spreads for my planner, because that's why I really got into doing the buying all of Happy Planner stickers, because I love to do their spreads. Let me see if I can find my other planner, and then I can show you like some examples of my spreads. Okay, so I am going to move this one out the way for right now. And like I said, it's the same cover, but I want to say this one is more vibrant in the colors. I don't know if you all can see that, but the colors are more vibrant on this one, and I really love that. And then it's a holographic stripe there, which is here too, but the colors look so much better on this one. And I'm going to show you guys one of the first spreads that I did when I first got this one, and it is actually my favorite one. So I got this mid-August, and here it is. So this is one of my spreads. Well, I'm not gonna say one of them. This is the very first spread that I did for myself, and I really loved it. I don't know if because it's the first one that I did, and I kind of surprised myself on how to actually do this, because I was struggling on the placement and the colors and getting everything together. But it did come out really cute. It's nothing very personal in here right now, so I can show you this, and then I'll show you a monthly layout that I did. Let me find one that is a monthly layout, and I didn't do too many of the monthly layouts. So this is kind of a monthly layout. I never write on my planners, my regular planners, so I did take the time and did it to this one. Okay, so you see how I wrote Dre's 21st birthday. I normally don't write that on my regular planners. I just put like an icon sticker, like a balloon or a cupcake, and then I'll turn to the day, and then it'll allow me to look and see what's for that day. because I like to do just stickers here instead of putting words, if that makes sense. So this was kind of almost like a little light work. Almost like a little light work. Hold on for a second. My puppy's doing something strange. Okay. All right. So he was just over there playing to himself. I just thought something was wrong with him because he was moving really fast. But yeah, the rest of these, let me see if I have another one that I like. I don't want to let y'all look through it all because I want to make sure I don't have anything personal on here. But let me find another one. And I did these sparingly. Oh, let me show you this one. So this one I did, and I just like the colors. My daughter hated this, y'all. She really, really hated this. But she said it kind of looked old-fashioned, but it was the color theme for me. I was just getting all the colors together, and I really liked it. But she thought it was kind of ugly. And then I did this one, which I always put something here. I put personal development and just wrote a little something in here. But yeah, I don't think nothing is like too personal that I can let you guys see. So it was like I'm still learning in this process right here, but I really enjoy doing, like, I really enjoyed these. So if this is something that you guys would be interested in, just drop down in the comment and I will do some videos on this. If not, I'll just keep it to myself. No, I think I'm lying because I'm thinking I'm just going to go ahead and start doing those and play with it so I can get a little bit better, a little bit more creative, and use some of these stickers that I'm not using because I have a whole lot of stickers. And so, yeah. These are just a few that I did, y'all. Just a few. It's not nothing like, oh, like some of the other people that do planners. It's just light work because I'm still learning on how to do this, put things together and try to be creative. So I will be doing this with you guys if that is something that you're interested in seeing. So yeah, and I'm looking back and I'm getting excited because I forgot that I got this far in this book, and then I think I just all of a sudden stopped because I started getting busy with other things. So yeah, I'm going to get back into that because I actually love this. And let's go over the sticker haul that I have and some washi tape. So this is my washi tape. I purchased this from Amazon and it's just a Pride edition, and you guys know I just love the colors. I really love it, and it actually goes with my book and it goes with these. So I purchased these on Happy Planner as well, and these were very cheap. So if you are in the business and need some more stickers, go ahead and go over to Happy Planner, guys. They had a good sale, so I purchased these because, you know, I have a puppy, and I wanted to just be able to keep up with some of his things in my planner as well. And then I purchased these. I got these from Hobby Lobby, and I also got these on sale, and it's just a hand letter stuff that I can just add to my planner. I did pick up the Pride planner from Happy Planner as well because you know why. I don't have to keep saying that I love the colors. So it is very vibrant. I love them. I love them. I love it. And then I have this Agenda 52, and this is just for my chores. I purchased this from Hobby Lobby as well, and I know it was on sale, so I didn't pay $8.99. I normally buy all of my stickers on sale. I don't never pay the full price unless it's something that I need in the moment. If I'm working on some kind of project or something and I need it, I will. And of course, I brought this budget sticker book. It's another sticker book. I know I have like tons of them. I think I have every one that Happy Planner makes, but I thought this was so cute, and I thought this would match my my budget by paycheck. Let me grab that. It goes perfect to me in my mind when I saw it in Hobby Lobby, and I didn't get it. But when I went back to get it, the sale was off, so I had to order it online, and it came fairly quick. But it did kind of match my theme of my planner here, so I just had to have it so I can use it in this one. But I really love it. I love the colors. They're so vibrant. I love everything about this one. All right, so I'm going to put that up. And then I purchased fitness from Happy Planner. This is a sticker book because, you know, I am all about my health right now. I'm trying to get myself in shape and, you know, lose a little weight or a lot of weight. So I wanted to keep up with what I'm doing when I'm doing it in my planner just by using the stickers. And then for the last one, I have Color Me Happy. This is a colorful sticker book, and you guys know, because why? Okay, y'all know I love colors. And y'all look at this. Oh my gosh, I just think this is so beautiful, and I cannot wait to use this in my planner spread. But yeah, that is what I have for my new planner haul for the middle of the year. And I plan on being a little bit more consistent on my planning, so I will be doing more videos to hold myself accountable and keeping my life organized and going well. So along with my other planners, I'm adding 2 more, and this is just for the purpose of entertainment and because this is a great stress reliever. I love doing these. It's a great stress reliever, and it helps me channel my creativity, and I get to look back on it later on, and then I'll normally use it for my catch-all, like whatever I got to do. I can put like my work things, my bills, everything, doctor's appointment, everything will normally go in here, just because I just want to have something to put in there. So I may use it for my catch-all, or I may use it to keep up with my social media posting and like appointments if I'm doing one-on-one classes or something like that. I think that's what I'll do. I'll just keep this for like almost like business, but fun and creative spreads, if that makes sense. So that is all for my planner spreads for the middle of the year, and we will be doing this till the end of the year and into next year. So guys, I really appreciate you all for stopping by. And viewing this video. If you have not already, hit that like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload content. And leave me a comment on what you guys think. If this is something that you will be interested in purchasing, let me know. What's your favorite item in the video? And you guys know, as always, I want you guys to be blessed and plan on. I will talk to you guys next video. Bye.